In this video, I'm going to show you how to archive a customer and how to restore that customer if you need it. Start by clicking on a customer, come over to edit, and at the bottom here you'll see archive customer. Click on this, and that customer has now been archived. Should you need to restore that customer, come at the top here, click on this drop down, come down to archived customers, and you'll see that recently archived customer at the top. Come over to the right and click on this to restore. Then come back to this drop down over here, select your customers, and you'll see that recently restored customer at the top there. And that's it.